Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to add global colors for a new project. There are two ways to add global colors. So the first way is go to the element, click on the style and see how many colors we have in the global colors. So here we have four colors: primary, secondary, text color and accent. So we wanted to add a global color for our title. So go to the colors and select your color or paste your color here. Okay, so I am selecting a color like green, light green. So this is my color. Click on the plus icon, name it like I am going to name it my title color, my title my title color. Okay, then click on create. So this is a one way to create a global color. Then update it and see in the global colors here it is added my title color. Okay, now the other way how to add global color, go to the menu, click on the site settings. Here you can see global colors, click on it and here you can see the colors. Sorry, add a color like I name it my subtitle color. My subtitle color, this is his name and the color is I want this one will be my subtitle color. Okay, you can also change the system colors like this and also name it. Also you can rename it. So thank you for watching and update it. So here you can see, click on the element and see the colors we have. So this is my subtitle color we just added. So thank you for watching and please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.